it's... Oh, wait. Technical difficulty. Hello, it's Fruit Captain Bright Pancake, where today we're doing an unboxing video. So, if you don't know what unboxing is, which you probably should know, but if you don't, it's where we open these minifigure packs. If you don't know what minifigures are, which you should also know, the tiny Minecraft figures. If you don't know what Minecraft is, you know what? Forget it. You should know what Minecraft is. Anyway, we're going to be opening these 3 packs, then playing with them in this. I'm going to use all my other minifigures, too, to play with them, too. I got millions! Okay, I just took that guy out randomly. Anyway, let me show you the characters that you can get in this. Right, you can get a cat, Alex in a boat, an iron golem with a flower, a donkey with chest, a skeleton in flames, Steve mismatched armor, zombie pigman that's getting like lightning turned to a zombie pigman, spawning zombie pigman, yeah, killer bunny, killer rabbit, attacking ghast, chicken zombie, teleporting enderman, and tame dog with a bone. Anyway, let's see what we get. All right. Anyway, let's open this first one. Oh, yes! I got the attacking ghast. Oh, that looks cool. Yes! That is, like, cool. Okay, I am gonna put that right there so you can see it. Next up, let me just open. Technical difficulties again. Once again, technical difficulties. Anyway, I'm gonna open this up near you. Gonna open it. Cool stuff. Let's see what's in it. My gosh. Now we gotta open this up. Why do they put it in so many like things? Ooh, I got Alex in a boat. I must admit though, this is my third Alex in a boat, I'm pretty sure. So it's not the best. But hey, it's Alex in a boat. We'll put that right there. And finally, this one, which should be pretty cool. Let's open it. If I can actually open it. Anyway, I destroyed it. Now let's see what you get. Seriously! What? We got 2 Alexes in a boat! 2! What? How is this possible? This would make a... Wait, let me actually see if I have that many Alexes in a boat. Oh my! Alex in a boat party! 1 Alex in a boat! 2 Alexes in a boat! 3 Alexes in a boat! 4 Alexes in a boat! And 1 random attacking ghast. This makes no sense. Why is this happening? Anyway, it's time to play with them. Dun dun dun. First off, we have the ugly villager witch. They're so ugly. Anyway, now we have the Alex is riding a boat party. Yeah. Woohoo! Alex is in boats dropping from the sky. This is madness. All right, so I did not expect to get this many Alexes in a boat. In fact, I didn't even think I would get an Alex in a boat. Whoops. But this is crazy. I'm gonna have so many Alexes in a boat now. What am I supposed to do with them? This makes no sense. Anyway, I just got a perfect idea. Oh man, it fell off. Anyway, my idea is an Alex stacked on an Alex stacked on an Alex stacked on a random villager. Anyway, now let's play the TNT game. Dwan, dwan, dwan. Oh yeah, I knocked the villager off. All right, I'm gonna try to knock all of these guys off. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! You didn't die, Johnson. Well, don't forget to subscribe or leave a like or a comment down below. I gotta clean up this mess, and goodbye!